Welcome to Worthy Cause Wednesday. We're proud to support Give Kids for World Village, where magic becomes reality for children with critical illnesses. We want to pass this info to you. Now through May 2nd, you have a chance to win the Through the Lens Hollywood Grand Tour, an unforgettable trip for four that includes a 2-day tour of iconic Disney and Hollywood landmarks, a luxury hotel stay, lunch with a Disney legend, Disneyland Park visit, Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Airfare is also included for those outside of a 200-mile radius of LA. So click the link below to register, and remember that every entry helps fund life-changing experience for families who need it the most. Also, when you refer someone to our team, you're just not connecting them with our award-winning real estate service. You're helping us make a difference. A portion of our income goes directly to causes like Give Kids the World. So to refer someone considering a move by clicking the link below. Also, if you need anything else, we are here for you. And remember, we feature our worthy causes every single Wednesday.